everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion, another episode, another new recipe. Well, as I said, there will be Holi special recipe, and Holi means Thandai. Yes, without Thandai we can't just even imagine our Holi. So I'm going to be sharing with you my version of Thandai recipe. I hope you like the recipe. So without further saying, first thing first, hit the subscribe button. And also don't forget to like, share and comment in the comment section below. Now I will not say a word more and we will just jump into the recipe of Thandai. But before that, happy Holi! Making Thandai, here I have taken a bowl and I am going to soak up some nuts. This is very important. So here I have taken 12 almonds and 5-6 pistachio. You can increase or decrease the amount according to your wish. Now 10 cashew nuts or kaju, then 4-5 cardamom or elaichi. Next goes in melon seeds or charmagaz, 1.5 tablespoon. Then goes 1 tablespoon fennel seeds and MOURI or SAUNF. Then black pepper corns or 1 teaspoon black peppercorns, and then goes 2 teaspoon of poppy seed or POSTA. Now I'm going to soak them. I'm going to soak them for overnight, so I'm using cold water. But if you want to lessen the amount of time, you want to soak them for less time, you can use warm water, not boiling hot but warm water. Then within 4 hours you will get almost same result. But I'm going to soak them for like 7-8 hours or overnight. So now they were being soaking for overnight. Now you can see they have soaked nicely and all the nuts have swelled up, taking the liquid. So now keep it aside and it's time to make the Thandai paste. For that I'm going to take all of the liquid, including the nuts and the liquid, including the liquid. I'm going to take it into a mixing jar, then in with the lid, and I'm going to mix it. You can use water if it is required, and this mixture or this paste can be stored into deep fridge or freezer for like 7 to 10 days and you can use it as required. I added a little bit more water because I wanted to make smooth paste, so this is up to you. Now here I'm warming up some milk, 500 ml of milk. To that I'm going to add condensed milk, 3 to 4 tablespoons of condensed milk. It's optional. Instead of condensed milk you can use sugar or sugar syrup, but I'm going to use condensed milk and sugar both because I want the richness of the condensed milk, and also I don't want to make it too much heavier, so I don't want to use too much condensed milk for sweeten it. But with this amount of condensed milk it is not sweet enough, so I'm using some more sugar, 2 teaspoons of sugar. You can balance the taste or sweetness according to your taste. And then I'm going to add the Thandai mixture, Thandai paste, 4-5 tablespoons, and mix it as well. Some people don't like to mix it into the warm milk. Some people just warm up the milk, cool it down, then into the cold milk they mix this Thandai mixture. But this is my process. Now add pinch of saffron for flavoring. You can add more saffron if you want yellow color, but I am using it for flavoring only. I can tell you the aroma I am getting right now from the Thandai paste. Now let it come to room temperature, then cool it down into the refrigerator. So it's cold enough. Now in a fancy tall glasses I am going to serve them. So for that, place some ice cubes as much as you require. Then onto that I am going to pour our delicious Thandai mixture. It's chilled already, so pour it and serve it chilled and enjoy your Holi's. Trust me, if you make this Thandai recipe, your guests and friends and family will just love it and will want you to make this recipe again and again. Now I'm going to, before serving them, I'm going to garnish them with some chopped almond flakes. And that's it, our Thandai is ready. I hope you like the recipe and you're going to make this Thandai for Holi and enjoy your Holi with this awesome Thandai, and also play a very safe and happy Holi. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the comment section below. Enjoy.